after all day in the sun and in the water, I could really go for some Douhua right now.
Yeah.
You know? I love Douhua. Douhua is so sick. Didn't you say you know a place around here?
Well, I googled a place, but it says it's here, but
In here?
yeah, I'm not really sure.
Well, it kind of looks like a wet market, so
It doesn't really look like a place for Douhua to me. But
I'm guessing it's in here somewhere.
it says it's in here?
Yeah,
Eh, it must be that one, huh? Should we check it out?
looks like it would be.
Okay.
Oh, wow. This is nice.
This
is
really,
nice.
yeah, it doesn't look like it's part of a wet
It
market.
doesn't look like it's part of the market. Hey, 老板你好。来点豆花吗？
对，我们是卖豆花的哦。
So what caught your eye about this place specifically?
Yeah,
Well,
why here?
I mean, check out the pictures. You know, this place looks pretty good, right?
Yeah.
I was reading some of the reviews and it says like it's at a place like you wouldn't really expect it to be. And after reading that, I was kind of thinking, you know what? I want to try someplace different. Let's give this one a try.
For
Yeah,
sure,
let's
it's in a
do
very
it.
different location.
Yeah,
Exactly.
I'm excited. Oh, wow.
Wow.
There you go.
谢谢。
好，那请问那是什么？就是启发你想要在这边，在这个市场？
开店吗？
对啊
好，在这个市场里面做不一样的东西，很特别，
对
所以我们才会想说来尝试看看。但是那时候宜兰这个市场里面都没有人这么做，对，所以我们是第一个算很勇敢的下去
对
这么做，对，
而且很多
对
豆花店都长得蛮像的，所以我觉得你们真的很不一样。
是，谢谢谢谢。
That's not bad.
Oh wow, it's very different.
Yeah.
For me, Douhua, topping, best thing in Taiwan.
Which one, if you had to pick one, which one would you
Topping.
pick? Topping.
I say, wait, you've had Douhua dropping? I was like, what?
No,
I realize now you separated the two.
like when it's super hot, I really want like that ice and like all the just the topping and stuff.
Yeah.
Then I'm good.
What's the shaved ice?
Shit, nice.
No, that's the chopping.
Yeah.
Okay,
Chopping,
that's
yeah.
what. I
But
thought
like-
that's it. I was like, wait, is that what we call it? No.
Yeah.
But you guys yesterday you mentioned like you like the
I like 雪花冰 better.
That's what I meant.
Yeah.
That's what I meant by the shaved ice was sure hopping.
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
The snow
Because
ice.
that one like has like flavor in it.
Right.
The topping is just like ice, like frozen ice.
Check out these desserts, bananas and mochi, and brownies, made with flour left from making the douhua.
I can tell that this shop is really trying to innovate with not just their shop itself, but the food.
Yeah, they're mixing old and new things together. Must say, I love the mochi with the banana. Perfect blend.
After we've recovered a little from our exciting morning, I think we can head to the National Center for Traditional Arts. I've known about the place for a while now, but never really had the time to visit it. I heard it's huge.
I've never been either.
Me too.